What's going on, guys? Let's give a huge shout out to EditorX for sponsoring this video, and let's jump in. Let me start by introducing myself. My name is Neftali. I've been designing and launching online experiences since I was in high school. Yeah, I was that nerdy kid that would stay after school building websites with goofy ass GIFs and sparkling stars everywhere. I had pretty cool teachers. They even let me take one of their lab computers back home. You can guess what I did next, right? Obviously, play video games. You guys remember that game, Civilization? Oh my God, you literally had to insert 2 diskettes in order to play. It was crazy. Anyway, this obsession with computers led me to learning HTML and CSS, and nerding out about animation like there was no tomorrow. Those were good old days when we didn't have to worry about pleasing clients, right? Okay, snap out of it. Long story short, I continued that path and really honed in on many skills. And since then, I've had the opportunity to launch a few no-code startups and produce award-winning experiences for brands like Google, Hilton, and Bridgestone. I created this course for creators who want to build out kick-ass websites for themselves and for others. And if you're like me and you're tired of relying on developers to build your creations, this EditorX course is definitely for you. Or maybe you run a marketing agency and you need to quickly iterate and launch websites without knowing how to code. EditorX comes in as an advanced web design tool made for professional creators, which offers a unique combination of features including integrated solutions, responsive breakpoint control, and a robust content management system. EditorX also has this smooth drag and drop interface and a suite of collaboration tools to optimize a workflow within teams. Now, this sounds like it has it all, right? Well, that's because it does. But let me show you my favorite top features. Forget about hosting control panels or managing complicated SSL. Guys, you can build and launch your website on one streamlined platform. That's what makes EditorX so special. Personally, EditorX is a true visual editor. If you come from a design tool like Adobe XD or Figma, you know what it's like to design around flexible layouts. You're literally doing the same thing when working with EditorX Canvas. The difference is this tool does all the magic for you behind the scenes. You'll love its workspace capabilities like design libraries, style guides or themes, scalable fonts, custom breakpoints for granular control, customizable SVGs, transparent videos, integrated automations, and best of all, the ability to manage your membership platform. We'll be covering each one of those together as we continue this learning journey. Go ahead and join the Community X forum to connect with other creators, give feedback, and get the latest product updates. Some of the limitations that I've encountered while using EditorX are not deal breakers. And to be fair, I'm a very picky creative director, always pushing these tools to the limits. Now, these limitations are probably going to be available shortly after this video has been released or before. Throughout these lessons, we'll cover these limitations in detail, and together, we'll call out the EditorX gods to hear us out into making them a reality. So let's go jump into the next lesson and take a look at what we're going to build together. See you there.